Not stuck, like you're just going through the motions, unsure of what next. Maybe you have dreams but don't know how to turn them into reality. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Unparalleled Lifestyle. Before we dive in, I want to be upfront with you. I was born profoundly deaf, so my speech may sound a little different from what you're used to. But that is a part of who I am, and I am here to share my journey with you. Thank you for your kindness and your understanding. It truly means a lot. Well, today we are diving deep into how you create a compelling vision for your future and actually make it happen. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll have a clear, exciting roadmap for your life. Let's go. First, let's break this vision down. What is a vision? A vision isn't just a vague dream or wishful thinking. It is a clear picture of where you want to be in the future. It is what fuels your motivation, drives your decisions, and keeps you pushing forward, even when things get tough. So how do you create one? Give yourself permission to dream without limits. Too often, we hold ourselves back because we think our dreams are unrealistic. But here's the secret. Every great achievement started has an impossible idea. So ask yourself, if money, time or fear weren't the issue, what would your ideal future look like? Close your eyes for a moment and picture it. What do you see? Where are you? Who is around you? What are you doing? Take a moment to immerse yourself in this vision. Write it down what you see, describe it in detail, and let it sink in. Your dream are valid, and your vision matters. Define your why. A vision without purpose is just a fantasy. Why does this vision matter to you? What is the deep reason behind it? Maybe you want financial freedom to take care of your family. Maybe you want to create a positive impact in the world. Whatever is your why will be an anchor on tough days. So write it down, make it clear, and let it fuel you. Think about your emotions that tied to your why. Is it security, happiness, or fulfillment? When you connect deeply with this reason, your vision becomes more than just a goal. It becomes a mission. Get specific. A vague vision won't inspire action. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, define what success is like for you. Do you see yourself running a business, traveling the world, writing a book? The clearer the vision, the easier it is to move towards it. Break it down even further. What does your daily life look like in this vision? What time do you wake up? What do you interact with? What activity fills your day? The more details you can define, the stronger your connection to your vision will be. Reverse engineer your vision. Once you know where you want to go, break it down into smaller milestones. If your vision is to be a bestseller author, what steps do you need to take? Maybe start with writing a one to how to create a compelling vision for your future. A few pages every day taking a creative writing course, or networking with publishers. Small steps taken consistently lead to massive results. Think of it like climbing a staircase. Every step gets you closer to the top. If you're unsure about the steps, research people who have achieved similar goals and study their journey. Their path can provide a blueprint for your own success. Visualize and take action. The best way to make your vision real is to see it daily. Create a vision board. Write it a journal, or even meditate on it. But here's the key. Vision without action is just a dream. So start today. Take one small step, no matter how tiny, towards your vision. Maybe it's making a phone call, signing up for a class, or setting aside time for each morning to work towards your goal. Every action will reinforce your belief in your vision. Celebrate small wins and stay committed, and even on days when progress feels slow. Look, creating a compelling vision isn't just for the ultra successful. It's for you. It is for anyone willing to dream, believe, and take action. Your future is in your hands. So tell me in the comments, what is one vision you have for your future? Let's start this journey together. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on powerful content like this. Keep dreaming, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for tuning in today to Unpowered Our Lifestyle. May you have an amazing day or night, wherever you are. Many blessings.